Okay, let's go.
Hey, I'm Kay. Today I'm gonna show you how to do Gallagher makeup cosplay from game Honkai Star Rail. We start with applying foundation to your entire face and blending everything well with Beauty Blender. When we finish our makeup base, we can move on to contouring the face, which is the most important element of cosplay. Especially for Gallagher, cause he's quite a masculine character. I start by contouring the nose. Using a cool bronzer, I draw lines on both sides of nose from its lower part. Then, from these lines, I make smooth transitions into the skin color and work on emphasizing the top of the nose. Now we are going to a slightly heavier element. We focus on emphasizing the jaw and cheekbones. Yes, we also start from the bottom to ensure a smoother transition. I also decide to contour the forehead, for which purpose I'm applying bronzer to the temples. Gallagher is a masculine character, so contouring the neck is also an important element to create a fake Adam's apple. To tone down the contouring, I use a highlighter. Next, I'm taking the foundation again and start covering my natural eyebrow color. I use it alternately with powder. We move on to the eye makeup. First, we outline the eyelid with a brown shadow to add depth to it. I add a dark brown eyeshadow to the outer corner of the eyelid and give it a slightly sharp shape. Next, we deal with the inner corner and apply a white glitter shadow there. Then we take a dark brown shadow and slightly outline the lower eyelid to optically increase the size of the eye. Next step is to add a light cream shadow between our eye and the line we have drawn. I take a dark brown shadow again and contour the upper part to create the double eyelid effect. Now we will move on to the eyebrows. I'm taking a dark brown eyeshadow and start drawing over them. I'm keeping the lines sharp. Now we are taking a white crayon and apply it to the waterline of the eye halfway.
Jeszcze raz spójrz.
We are doing the same with the second eye. Now we can move on to the lip makeup. First, I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow in the inner part and corners. I contour the corners of the lips and their inner side to maintain the cartoonish look. Next, I make smooth transition of this contouring. Gallagher has a slightly visible mustache in game, so we can't forget to draw it as well. We start by creating its outline with light brown shadow. Then using a dark brown crayon, we create a structure by drawing small lines. Then we take a white crayon to add realistic highlights by drawing short lines. I take the light brown eyeshadow again and do the same as before. Then I'm also helping myself with dark brown eyeshadow, creating more short lines. Our makeup is ready. Now we can wear wig and costume.